Okay, welcome back to Advanced List Building Strategies, and we're going to go to the next phase and the next stage of this process. We're calling this keeping your friends close and your affiliates closer. Now, what does that mean? Well, now you've got a product, right? And so you've got a product, you've got an upsell. So you want to help get people to help you sell it. Now, hopefully you will have been developing some relationships with some affiliates, with some product creators, and maybe, you're not yet there yet. Maybe they're not yet ready to trust you. That's okay. But you still want to go through this process, get affiliates, talk to them, go through the motion of, again, asking them to promote you. Don't just approach them and just spam them on social media. Really approach people, hopefully, that you already know, right? You should work with individuals that you've already come to know. If you don't have a relationship with them, okay, you haven't built any relationship at all, and you're just gonna kind of talk to them cold, don't ask. Okay, so in this strategy, the people who can be your potential affiliates, they can help you, and you don't want to risk that relationship by just hitting them up cold. You want to build a relationship. So if you haven't had time to build a relationship with one particular market, I don't care how big they are, I don't care how easy it is to get access to them on social media. Don't ask them until you've built a relationship. Now, you want to give these affiliates, and this may, hurt you a little bit, but it is part of the process. Give them 100% commissions. Now, when someone first gets to know you and you are going to help them to make money, one of the best ways to do that is give them 100% on the front end sale. Now you can give them also an additional 50% on the back end or the upsell, but the most important thing is to make sure that they get all the money, they get all the commissions, because that's going to help them to promote. It's going to motivate them to promote because they're going to make more on every sale. They're not going to make half of every sale. Now you want to understand that when you pick somebody, when you decide to work with someone, when you approach someone, there's an agreement that you're probably going to be promoting their product. So make sure this is going to be somebody that you want to work with, somebody that you trust, because they're going to come to you when they've got a product. So if you don't think you're going to want to promote theirs, I don't know if it's going to be a good idea for you to get them to promote yours, even if they've got a big list, right, and that they can help you. Now remember, why does this work? Right? Why does this work? Well, your affiliate is going to be helping you to build a buyer's list. Everybody who buys, remember what happens to them? Well, they actually get sent to your autoresponder, right? They're going to actually be part of your product buying process, and you will not have to have built the traffic. You will have basically paid your affiliates a sales commission, but they will be bringing the traffic, right? So it's a great system. Now, if you want to build a big long-term list, learn to keep your affiliates happy, right? So don't have them promoting a product for you that you're going to have a lot of refunds on. Make sure if they're going to promote a product for you, it's a high quality product that their buyers are going to like, they're going to love it, that they're going to in effect thank them for sending them an email about it. So make sure your affiliates are even better than your good friends in internet marketing. Keep them close and make them happy if you want to build a long-term list. Every buyer that comes through that list, they're going to end up on your autoresponder. Okay, so with that, thanks. I will see you in the next video.